5 Best TP-Link Router. 5 Best TP-Link Router for Long-Range Coverage. TP-Link AC 4000 Smart Wi-Fi Router, Tri-Band Router. Mu-MIMO, VPN Server, Antivirus, Parental Control, 1.8 GHz CPU, Gigabit, Beamforming, Link Aggregation, Range Boost, works with Alexa. TP-Link AC 1200 Gigabit Smart Wi-Fi Router. 5 GHz Gigabit Dual-Band Mu-MIMO Wireless Internet Router, supports beamforming, guest Wi-Fi, and AP mode, long-range coverage by 4 antennas. TP-Link AC 1750 Smart Wi-Fi Router. Dual-Band Gigabit Wireless Internet Router for Home, works with Alexa, VPN Server, Parental Control and QoS. TP-Link DecOS 4 3-pack Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. TP-Link Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System up to 5500 SQFT. Coverage, Wi-Fi router, extender replacement, gigabit ports, parental controls, works with Alexa. TP-Link Deco M3 3-pack Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. TP-Link Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System, up to 4500 SQ. FT coverage, Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi extender replacement, seamless roaming, parental controls, plug-in design, works with Alexa.